Hello students, in this video we will discuss about sign convention of axis. Sign convention of axis. As you know that if we draw two lines in a plane as like this, which is one line is horizontal and another line is vertical, and both lines perpendicular to each other and intersect at O, then horizontal line is known as x dash, and vertical line is denoted by y dash. X dash is known as x axis and y dash is known as y axis. With the help of both vertical lines, we can determine the position of any object which is lie in that plane. Now, distance measured on this axis will be defined as this. As like, if we going on the x-axis right side from the origin, then this distance measured as positive. That means from O on x-axis on the right side, this distance will be measured as positive, and on the x-axis, if we go left side from the origin, this distance measured negative. That means OX, distance OX will be positive and distance OX dash will be negative. On the same way, if we going on y-axis, upper side from origin on y-axis, this distance will be measured as positive, and if we go in the lower direction from origin, this distance will be negative. That means OY distance will be positive and OY dash distance will be negative. We can represent this with the help of arrow. Now, both lines divide the whole plane in four parts, and this is known as quadrant. What is? Name four parts divided by x dash and y dash to the plane is known as quadrant. Name as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and last fourth quadrant. That means if we want to show in this plane, that means this will be first quadrant, this is denoted by second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Always first quadrant represent this quadrant. That means always start the counting first quadrant from here and go into the anti-clockwise direction. That means this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. This is known as quadrants. In the first quadrant, sign of x-axis and y-axis, both means x coordinate and y coordinate, will be both positive and positive. Coordinates will become first x coordinate, then y coordinate. In the second, x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. In the third, first coordinate will be negative and x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate also negative. And in fourth, both first x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate will be negative. That means with the help of this, we can determine the position of any object lie in which quadrant or on which axis. Let we take one example. If coordinate of any point P is denoted by 2, 3, then position of this point lie in the first quadrant, because sign of both coordinates, that means x coordinate and y coordinate, this coordinate also known as abscissa and ordinate, means x coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. That means sign of abscissa and sign of ordinate both are same and both are positive, so this will be lie in the first coordinate. And how to represent this? This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate, so we should be going on the x axis 2 unit in the positive direction. Now we will go 2 unit, that means 1, 2, this is the 1, this is the 2, and y coordinate is 3 and this is also positive, so we should be going on y coordinate in the positive direction, that means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and to draw a line from 2 perpendicular in the above direction and from 3 perpendicular of y axis in this direction, and where both lines intersect to each other, then this point will be position of given point and its coordinate will be 2, 3. This is the Cartesian plane. This is known as also Cartesian plane. So first you should be write here x coordinate equal to abscissa, ABSICSA, and y coordinate equal to ordinate, ABCIS, abscissa. So this is the name of x coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. Now if any point whose x coordinate is negative and y coordinate positive, so this point lie in the second coordinate according to sign convention, and if sign of both coordinate are negative, then that will be lie in the third coordinate, and if abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative, then position of that point lie in the fourth coordinate. But if any point like this q, position coordinate of this point q is 0, 2, then that type of point never lie on any quadrant. That means q 0, 2 whose x coordinate means abscissa is 0 and y coordinate, that means ordinate, is 2, then this point lie on the y axis. That means those coordinate is not 0, that point, position of that point lie on that axis. What is the sign of that coordinate? Then this will be determined the position of that point will be lie in negative direction or positive direction. Now position of q point whose coordinates are 0, 2, that means this will be lie on the y axis in the positive direction, because y coordinate is not 0 and sign of y coordinate is positive. So position of this q will be this point, and coordinate of this is 0, 2. And the same way, if this is the negative, then this point lie in the negative direction on y axis, and if this is the 2, 0, that means y coordinate is not 0, so that position of that point lie on the x axis, and this is the positive, so lie on the x axis in the positive direction, and if given is negative, so this will be lie in the negative direction on the x axis. So or thus this is the complete information about sign convention of axis and how to plot or how to represent the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. Now in the next video we will discuss about distance between given two points